Hi everyone, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn about the past perfect tense. How do we form the past perfect affirmative? Subject plus had plus past participle plus object. And an example is she had eaten the lunch. Conjugating the past perfect affirmative. Some examples are I had visited that place several times. You had visited that place several times. He or she had visited that place several times. We had visited that place several times. They had visited that place several times. How do we form the past perfect negative? Subject plus had plus not plus past participle plus object. And an example is she had not eaten the lunch. Conjugating the past perfect negative. Some examples are I had not visited that place several times. You had not visited that place several times. He or she had not visited that place several times. You had not visited that place several times. They had not visited that place several times. How do we form the past perfect interrogative? Had plus subject plus past participle plus object. And an example is had she eaten the lunch? Conjugating the past perfect interrogative. Some examples are had I not visited that place several times? Had you not visited that place several times? Had he or she not visited that place several times? Had we not visited that place several times? And had they not visited that place several times? Don't forget to like this video. If you do have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching.